In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw arcs with polylines in AutoCAD. Drawing arcs is an essential skill for anyone looking to master CAD software, as it allows you to create curved lines seamlessly within a single entity. This can help streamline your design process, ensuring that your drawings are both efficient and precise. To get started, open your AutoCAD workspace where you want to create your drawing. Once you're ready, the first thing you'll need to do is make use of the command line. Command lines are a fundamental part of the AutoCAD interface, offering a fast and effective way to input functions directly. In this instance, you'll want to type in Polylines. This command stands for Polyline, a versatile tool that allows you to combine line and arc segments into one continuous object. Once you've typed Polylines into the command line, go ahead and press the Enter key. This will initiate the Polyline function, setting you up to begin creating your arc. Next, you'll want to instruct AutoCAD that you're intending to draw an arc within your polyline. After initiating the Polyline command, you'll see some options appear on the command line at the bottom of your screen. Here you can either press the Arc button directly from the interface, or keep your interaction streamlined by typing the letter A and pressing Enter. This action tells the software that your next polyline segment should be an arc, as opposed to a straight line, which is the default setting. With that set, you're now ready to begin drawing your arc. As you move your cursor in the drawing space, you'll notice that you can adjust the curvature of the arc based on the direction and distance you move your mouse. Clicking with the mouse will finalize the arc's radius and direction. You can continue this process to add more arc segments or switch back to straight lines by following similar commands as needed. Remember, polylines are a fantastic tool in AutoCAD because they allow you to create complex shapes that remain as single entities. This makes them easier to manipulate and edit later on, reducing the potential for errors and saving you valuable time in the design phase. Utilizing the arc feature within Polylines enhances your ability to produce more organic and flowing designs without losing the precision CAD software offers. So, there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to draw arcs with polylines in AutoCAD. This method will help you refine your design skills and bring a higher standard of accuracy and professionalism to your projects. Happy designing, and stay tuned for more AutoCAD tutorials that will take your skills to the next level.